Good morning, students. Today we will be learning here subtraction with the vertical method. What is vertical method? If we are writing the numbers on standing line. See, we have already learned horizontal method. Now we will be learning here vertical method of subtraction. Okay? See, how do we write the vertical method on subtraction? Suppose I will write here number 2. Okay. See, number 2. Okay. Now, if we want 1 minus 1. So, the answer will be here. How do we find the answer? We will draw here 2 circles. And we will take out 1 circle. How many circles are left here now? 1. So the answer will be 1. See, how do we write here? This way. Standing line. It is called vertical method. We have learned horizontal like this. Today we will be learning like this. Okay? Okay, students. Now see, we will take another example. Okay? What do I write here? Shall we start with another example? Okay, 4 minus 3. What will be the answer here? First, which one is the greater number? 4. So, we will draw 1, 2, 3 and 4 circle. Okay? Now, which number is a smaller number? 3. So, we will cut here 3 circle. 1, 2 and 3. How many circles are left here? 1. So, the answer is 1. See children, how we are doing here? First, we are writing the number in the first box. Then just below that number, the second number in the second box below the first number. If we want 5 minus 2, 2 we are writing below the 5 number, below the 5 box number. And the answer is in the third box below the 2. So, how many circles we will draw here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why we are drawing 5 circles? Because the bigger number is 5. We can minus the smaller number from the bigger number. Okay. So, we will draw here 5 circles and we will cut 2 circles here. 1 and 2. So, how many are remaining here? 1, 2, 3. So, the answer is 3. The answer is 3. Shall we take more examples? 7 minus 3. Okay. See children, how do we do this sum? First, how many circles we will draw here? 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We will have to draw 7 circles. From these 7 circles, we will take away 3 circles. 1, 2, 3 circles. How many circles are remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. The answer is 4. Let's see another examples. 6 minus 2. Okay. Then 9 minus 4. Then 2 minus 2. Then 4 minus 0. See children, here in this, which is the bigger number? 6. So we will draw here 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Which is a smaller number? I wrote here 2 just below the 6 number. 1 and 2. We will cut 2 circles. How many circles are remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be 4. The answer will be 4. Now see here how many circles we will draw in the second sum. Which number is the greater number? Yes, right. 9 number. So we will draw here 9 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Students, which is the smaller number we have to cut here? Number 4. So we will take out 4 circles from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many circles are remaining here now? Shall we count it? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer will be 5. The answer will be 5. Okay. Now see the next one. We will have to draw 2 circles. And how many circles we will have to take away from these 2? 2. See. Is there any circle remains here? No. No circle is here. So 0 circle. So the answer is 0. See here. 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 circles we have to draw here. And how many circles we will have to take away? 0. 0 means nothing. Nothing we will have to take away. So remaining 4 circles. If we won't take anything from these 4 circles, then the answer will be the same. The 4 circles. See, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Now students, do you understand? This is called vertical method of subtraction. Vertical means standing line. We are writing this number in standing line. See, here I wrote 6 number. Here I wrote 2 number. Here I wrote 4 number. See, this is the method standing line. We are writing the numbers in standing line. So it is vertical method of subtraction. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, students? Okay.